Ramzan is just around the corner. It's almost 10 days for it to begin, and I've started preparing my house myself for Ramadan. That includes deep cleaning of my house. Well, I do clean my house every week, but this is a little special. This is a lot more intense. And I've started cooking, I've started preparing meals so that I'm not busy when Ramzan starts. This Dyson vacuum cleaner has literally made my life easy. It has got so many attachments so I can clean my sofas, carpets, the walls, curtains, anything. You name it and you can clean anything from it. I'm not responsible for cleaning the entire house. So, me and my husband, we have shared responsibilities, we have shared, and we have actually divided these responsibilities. Sometimes he cleans, sometimes I do. So, it's never a one person's job, and I think that's very, very important in a relationship. I got lots of meat for Ramadan and for weekly meals as well. I've posted the grocery video last week, you can check that out. So I'm just going to make portions of the meat. Some I'm going to make kebabs and freeze them, some random portions for weekly meals, and some for keema samosas that I'm going to make ahead. And that's a speciality of Ramadan. Although it's time consuming, it's easy to go to the store and then just buy ready made samosas, but I think the taste is quite different. When you make it with love, when you make it with your own hands, that taste is unmatched. The reason why I do it every year is because of my mother. My mama, she makes everything from scratch for Ramadan. Samosa, roll, pakode, chutney, dahi bade, whatnot. So I try to keep that tradition alive. I like to do it at home. Now that I am married, I have my new home, I have my own family. So I like to keep that tradition alive. If you are very busy and you feel like you don't have time to do all of this, take no pressure. There is no judgment. I'm sure you're looking and watching a lot of Ramadan preparation videos where people are preparing so many dishes and freezing them, and you feel left out. Please don't, because every Ramadan for every person is different. If I am making few things and freezing it, doesn't mean you have to do the same. Here, the samosa filling is almost ready. I have added all the masalas. The mince is ready. I'm just going to add lots of onion and lots of coriander in it. Although my plan was to make samosas today, but right now I feel a bit tired. Because I've also done grocery today. I've organized it and I've also made this. So by this time, I'm feeling a bit tired and I'm also feeling a bit hungry. Thankfully, we ordered food from outside, so that was a relief. I didn't cook anything, and that is what I needed the most today. Second thing to prepare is to boil chickpeas because we use it a lot in iftar. We make chana chaat, chana papdi chaat. The only thing with these chickpeas is to boil them. That's the time taking process. Otherwise, if they are boiled, you just take them out, put them in a dish, and it's done. I'm going to make hari chutney with this leftover coriander. Some of the leaves are going bad, as you can see. So I've just removed them. I'm using the nice ones, the clean leaves, and the stems. Don't forget the stems. Then came the turn of doing something that I don't like and I keep delaying it. That's oven cleaning for me. Because I was doing deep cleaning of my house, so it gave me all the more reason to do this before Ramadan. Otherwise, I know I would have just skipped it altogether. I do a lot of cooking and baking in my oven, so it does get dirty. And the condition shows you right now that it was begging me to clean it now. And the oven was saying to me, if you don't clean me now, I'm not going to operate at all. So it was high time and I couldn't skip it at all. I am using this oven and barbecue cleaner. You can actually use any cleaner if you want to, whatever's there in the market, and I'm spraying it nicely all over the oven, and I'm going to leave it for some time so that it soaks in and the grease and the food, all of it gets soft and it gets easier for me to clean it. On the other hand, I've made this solution myself. It has got dishwashing liquid, baking soda, that's it, and I'm going to use it to clean the iron grills. And this mirror, this glass area, I'm using another kitchen cleaner. You can use anything basically. A lot of people use tissues to clean the oven afterwards. They've, scrubbed and everything. These blue and white microfiber towels are really, really good. They're also reusable, so you don't dispose them off as soon as you have to dispose tissue papers, and they clean things really, really well. I've almost spent 2 hours in cleaning this entire oven, but I am really, really happy with it. I'm proud of myself and I'm glad I did it. How often do you clean your ovens? Is it like me, or you're a clean freak and you clean it every other week or every month? Because I'd like to know. And if it will suit me, I'll try to clean it more often. You can still see the bits and pieces coming out from the crevices. But, anyways, the oven looks clean and I'm happy that I started Ramadan cleaning. Do let me know if you're doing the same. And happy Ramadan in advance.